80% of household decisions are made by women. Women-led businesses are growing at twice the rate of men's. But when it comes to recognition, the gap is still massive. March 8th came and went, and I didn't make a post about Women's Day. Not because I forgot, but because I refuse to limit the celebration of women to just one day. Women are the backbone of the economy, the silent force holding industries and societies together. They run businesses, manage teams, lead innovation, and still come home to handle responsibilities that never make it to the headlines. They don't just contribute to the world, they build it from the ground up. But here's the problem: their work is often overlooked, their efforts taken for granted, their success stories not told often enough. Recognition shouldn't come in the form of an annual pat on the back. It should be embedded in how we value, support, and uplift women every single day. Women in business aren't just rising, they are reshaping entire industries. They are leading startups, closing million-dollar deals, and creating impact beyond measure, all while maintaining a balance that most would crumble under. They aren't choosing between home and career, they are mastering both, proving that leadership isn't about gender but about resilience, vision, and execution. That's why Women's Day can't be a once-in-a-year event. It's a mindset shift, a daily commitment, an ongoing revolution. It's about making sure women have the recognition, the support, the opportunities they deserve, not just in March, but every single day. So how can we move beyond acknowledgement? Invest in women-led businesses, offer mentorship, funding, and opportunities that help women scale their impact. Use your voice to amplify their work and challenge outdated norms that hold them back. Let's move beyond celebration and step into action. Acknowledge the women in your life. Support their businesses. Amplify their voices. Because when women rise, economies thrive, communities grow, and the world transforms. Comment below with the name of a woman-led business or a woman you support. Let's give them the recognition they deserve.